Hi and welcome to this amazing section that we are going to explore communication flow with activity. Sometimes you want to send more data than a simple object, and that's when you need to learn about packaging your data as a serializable and parsable data. And while you want to communicate with your activities, you need to have a deep understanding of processes, threads, and stacks. In this video, we are going to pass data using intents. In previous section, we learned how to move from one activity to another using intents. Now in this video, we will pass data using intents. I'm using the project we created for 3.2 and now let's change it. So right before starting an activity, we call the intent to fill it with data and pass it to the next activity. We have different kind of data to pass. For now, let's take a look at one of the most used ways, put extra. We call the intent, and then you can see the different ways that we can put data in our intent. The put extra passes the basic types such as int, float, character, double, boolean, string, and int array. The first parameter is a key, which is a string array, and the second one is the data we want to pass. I'll pass on a string to the next activity. So for the first one, which is a key, I'll name it a key, and the value I want to pass is going to be some data, something very simple. So here I'm going to pass this data to main activity 2, and let's go there and retrieve the data here. So I want to show the data as soon as the activity is shown in my screen. I'll define a variable and name it as something like activity data, and it's going to be of type string, and it's equal to intent dot get a string extra. And the key that I'm going to use must be the same as the one we created. And then I want to show it inside a toast. I'll do toast dot make text and then application context, then activity data, then toast dot, and I want it to be shown on a long way, and I want to call the toast to be shown. Alright, now we are done, and let's see how it looks on the emulator. And now you see our application is up and running, and by clicking on this button it goes to the next activity and our data is passed.